Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Mafia The Old Country game. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to restart Steam or restart PC. This is a basic solution. In most of the cases this works. So close the Steam from the task manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch the Mafia The Old Country game and then check. If that doesn't work, then simply restart your PC, then run Steam as an admin and then check. Second solution is to enable disable Steam input. So to do this, open Steam, go to library, right click on Mafia The Old Country game. This is just an example. Then go to properties, then go to controller tab, then override for Mafia The Old Country, click the drop down and select enable Steam input and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and then go to control tab and instead of enable Steam input, select disable Steam input and then launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. Now this trick sometimes fix the issue, so try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. Now check if the controller is working in Mafia The Old Country game or not. Fourth solution is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers, display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the issue or not. Fifth solution is to check if controller is properly connected. Check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. If you have wired controller, then try plugging it to different ports. Now you can also test your controller on different system to identify the issue. Sixth solution is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. At current, maybe the game has some bug or glitches, so your wireless controller is not working. Hence, if you have any wired controller, then connect it and play the game as of now. Seventh solution is to verify the integrity of game files. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on Mafia The Old Country game, select properties, go to install files tab. This is just an example and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification of the game files, you can launch the Mafia The Old Country game and check controller is working or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.